This is the MAKITA GPK01. It's a handheld planer, 3-inch blade on it. And the neat things and features about this planer is how deep it can go. It can actually go to, let's see if you can see this over here, 5/30 seconds. So that's pretty deep for a handheld planer, and you can look at the other brands out there and you won't really find another one that can plane so much in one pass. It is on the MAKITA XGT 40-volt platform, so it has a good amount of power, but I did find it does drain battery life. So for today's video, I thought it would be fun to test and see how many passes before this pressure treated 4x4 is completely gone into the massive amount of sawdust this thing makes. So yeah, let's see what happens. Something I did forget to mention before, and I'll mention now, is that this does create a lot of sawdust, but it does have the Bluetooth connection port that a lot of XGT MAKITA tools have, where you can put a chip in there that also connects to your vacuum, and it will automatically turn on the vacuum when you turn on the trigger of the tool. Alright, so I don't know if I can really safely do this anymore unless I set up a jig, and I don't really feel like doing it, so that's pretty good. That was a whole chunk of 4x4, and it's this small. Really wasn't too many passes. But let me show you how much sawdust there is. This thing is kind of a beast of a planer. Check this out. That was just all on one blip of a 5 amp-hour battery, so not too bad. Let's see it spin. It's kind of a beast. All right, if you guys appreciate these videos, please give me a like, subscribe, and comment below. Have a good one.